Hey guys, this is Duct Tape Man 5, and this is my wallet for Duct Tape Stuff's third contest. The theme for this contest is decoration. So I made a wallet, checkerboard wallet with Sonic on it right there. I have all the little tiny pieces on there, so it's puzzle decoration. On the other side, I have Tails. I have every single piece, all the little tiny pieces, right there. And the inside, it's an electric blue billfold with a checkerboard brim. And on the inside, I have 1, 2, 3 pockets. And I wrote Sonic on the front of this pocket. And I wrote Tails on the top in front of the pocket behind the ID. We have the ID right here. And then a hidden pocket behind it. That's checkerboard and electric blue, and then we have that pocket right behind there, like I said before. And so we have the Sonic and Tails, and on the inside we have Sonic and Tails. If you notice that Tails is on the same side as he is on the front. And so, yeah, that's it. This is Duct Tape Man 5. Thanks, and vote for me.